Bello's Fashionistas is a New York-based organization with a collective mission to encourage and empower women, specifically Hispanic women, using style and fashion. The organization held their annual holiday party and hopes to increase outreach. Founder Fleriser Bello explains how Bello Fashionistas caters to Latin youth.
So we've noticed that there's a need there for our Latino community to be motivated. We need to lift our community. We need to come together and unify so that we can lead our youth to the right direction.
Bello's Fashionistas serves as a mentorship program for underserved youth to develop them personally and professionally.
That we would teach them how to dress, that we would teach them how to apply makeup, and also what clothes best fits them. Our third phrase is to work with our youth and to be able to help them grow professionally. How do we do that? By with our networking workshops.
Several business professionals from the area came out to support the nonprofit's efforts, many of which shared the same synergy of mentoring Latin youth.
As a Latino male, I wanted to come back to our communities of color and provide all my skills and all the education and do it on the grassroots level. This is a beautiful event, meeting amazing people, and it's all about engaging and networking with folks that are doing good work in the community, and that's what I'm going to continue doing.
You can connect with the organization on Instagram at Bello's Fashionistas or visit their website below. Reporting for Bronxnet, Darissa White.